Hello, I'm Rachel and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney, and this is the Stocks in Action show. Let's take a look at some companies moving the market today. Shares of ASX listed technology company AD1 Holdings are trading up today as the company announced record performance, with their subsidiary The Art of Mentoring recording record revenue in the quarter ending September 2021, breaking its previous record by 94%. The company revealed that during the quarter, The Art of Mentoring secured 2 new contracts, each valued at over $100,000, one from the Department of Defence in Australia and one from HR.com in North America. These, together with strong renewals and upsells, brought the revenue to 2.3 times the same period last year. According to the announcement, The Art of Mentoring has enjoyed enormous growth in global clients in the past 12 months, with 4 international platform clients signed in just the last quarter. Online training subscription sales are also growing at the same time, with more international clients in the government, corporate and association sectors. Moving on now, news for the biopharmaceutical company Neuren Pharmaceuticals. Well, their shares are trading up so far today after the company raised $3.3 million through an oversubscribed share purchase plan. They completed their SPP at an issue price of $2.05 per share. The raising closed on Friday, the 1st of October. The company also provided the opportunity to subscribe for additional shares at the same price as institutional and sophisticated investors in the recent placement. Neuren Pharmaceuticals has received applications by eligible shareholders under the SPP, totaling approximately $3.3 million. The target amount was $2 million. The board has elected to accept the oversubscriptions instead of implementing a scale-back procedure. Next up, shares of global network optimiser for remote operations Harvest Technologies were trading up so far today, as the company is set to launch its wholly owned software as a service subsidiary rebranded Opsivity in the US. The launch of Opsivity is a key milestone for Harvest Technology, as it marks the beginning of Phase 2 of the company's 3-phase strategic plan. Phase 1 was focused on implementing foundational systems and resources. The launch of Opsivity will provide the platform for executing Phase 2, aiming to deliver significant growth in annual recurring revenue and diversification of customer base. Harvest's groundbreaking technology helps to securely stream high-definition, real-time voice, video and data over ultra-low bandwidths around the world. That's even if connectivity is congested or contested. Opsivity can even run on a full range of devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops and wearables. Well, now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned for more trending updates. I'll be back soon.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on The Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
Hello, welcome back. I'm Rachel here live from Sydney. Shares of the A2 Mill company were trading down today as the company stated it will vigorously defend the class action filed by Australian law firm Slater and Gordon. The company was informed that group proceedings have been filed in the Supreme Court of Victoria, which named A2 Milk as the defendant. The class action alleges that the company is engaged in misleading or has showcased a deception conduct in breach of the Corporations Act and has breached continuous disclosure rules. The proceedings will be brought on behalf of shareholders who have interest in shares in the company on the ASX or the NZX main board between the 19th of August 2020 and the 9th of May this year. The company stated it's always complied with its disclosure obligations and has denied any liability. Shares of global health technology software firm Volpara Health Technologies are up currently today as the company provided a business update for the second quarter of financial year 2022 ending on the 30th of September. This quarter has delivered the company's strongest contract growth to date. The company recorded its largest ever quarterly sales performance, adding $1.2 million of annual recurring revenue. And this takes the total annual recurring revenue to $20.4 million. This is around 10% higher than the end of the fourth quarter of financial year 2021. The company now estimates it has at least one software product contracted to be used in the breast cancer screening of approximately 34% of US women, equal to approximately 13.4 million women. Meanwhile, Volpara's average revenue per user was $2.04 for the quarter and is now $1.46 over the entire installed base, up from $1.42 in the first quarter of financial year 2022. On the 5th of October 2021, Volpara informed it's closed its largest contract to date that will deliver $2.15 million in revenue over a 5-year period, representing $430,000 in annual recurring revenue. The company's also entered into collaboration agreements with lung cancer AI leaders Riverain and RevealDX and a genetics collaboration agreement with Natera. That's a wrap for the show for today, but keep watching Kalkine TV for more trending market updates. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.